Okay, welcome back. This is the next video in the training module on how to set up your gift-free ebook sales system. So at this point, you should have set up your autoresponder, and then you should have built your main page, which was on the last video. And then on this video, we're going to build our video sales page, which is right here. We're going to build that. So the same thing applies. You'll just want to get your, let's see, where is it? Right here, for your video sales page, and you'll also need the video URL, which I'm going to show you how to get that. But go ahead and just grab your, just like before. I'm just going to open that. And this one's short, there's not much on this. It's because it's mostly a video. This is a new video page I created, which is kind of cool. I'm going to copy that selection. Right, so just copy that like you did on your main sales page. And you can probably go ahead and just get rid of that. And then come back over to splash page. And if you're still in this screen where you're doing your editing from your main sales page, just hit splash pages, which I probably should have mentioned before, and it just takes you back out to all the splash pages that you built. Okay, so the same thing down here. We're just going to do, you could put vid sales page, something like that. Again, I'm just going to put test 2 because I'm going to delete all these when I'm finished with the training module. Create that page. Now this one's a little different. We're going to build a video squeeze page. We're not doing the picture, we're doing the video. So be sure and click the video squeeze page on this one. And then just come down here to the bottom and update your template. That just tells the system that's the template you want to use. It'll highlight in the middle there for you. And then come back down here again, go back to edit your page. Now I'm back in the editing screen. This one looks a little different on this screen than before because we're just doing a video with a little header. So same thing here where it says headline text right there. We want to add that header that you just copied. So click that HTML code like before, or button. Bring up that source editor, paste in that code, and then just hit update. I'll scroll that down a little bit. Whoops. Let's paste that back in and then just hit update. And then that brings that in there for you like that. Now you want to come back over to your the all-in-one profits, the training site for Team Honest, and you want the code for this video. So just click that link right there, and you have to right click it. Looks like a V almost, or a less than sign. Just click that. You have to right click it and then click get video URL. And then see how it highlights for you automatically, and then just copy that. You can just go ahead and just close that out, and then come back over to your splash page. Come right up here, and it says right here, video URL YouTube. See where it says that right there? We're going to paste that right in. Make sure your autoplay is on, so as soon as somebody loads your page, it's playing. And then we'll just go ahead and do update settings. And let's see what we got. Oh, we got something going on. So there's the there's your video sales page. Okay. Let's see. We probably want to get rid of a few things here. So again, on the border, don't show any border. You know, I think what we might have to do on this one, I'm going to put that on pause for just a sec. Yeah, I got the wrong template. I do apologize. I'm like, something ain't right here. So when you're back, I'm not going to reshoot the video, but when you're back in your in this this is the same page we were just on, which is the update information, the edit page. Just click the change template. Just click that and come down here, and this is the one I wanted right here, which is you can put your own video here, video page. I didn't want that other one, I messed up. So just click that one instead. And then be sure to do update template. And you notice how that came up on the front now. That's my, or the top, that's my new one now. So I'll go back to edit page. And everything still should be in there. Oh, we lost, no, everything's still there. So good. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit update settings so I don't lose nothing. And then let's view our splice page. Yeah, that's much better. I wanted the whole page to show up. So basically what this is saying is it's just a nice little video that I created. And then at the top it says, you know, tired of all the BS and the hype. And the only thing you have to do is you got to change this right here. This is going to lead them to your sales page. So remember, when you come back here, just go ahead and make sure you update the template or update your settings right there. And then just come back to splice pages. And remember that sales page we built, that main one? The main sales page. I have it under as test 1 right here. Yours is probably going to say main sales page. You want to grab that link right there. So just grab that. Don't go all the way to the left because there's a space right. So there's a space right in there. If you have that space in your URL, it won't link right. So you got to kind of stop right at the H and then just copy that. Now go back to the video page, the one we just were working on. Just hit edit page. Takes you right back in here. We've been in here, so and what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to our header. We're going to highlight right there. Make sure there's no link in there. So we're going to clear that link. We're going to highlight it again, and we're going to add our link. And then we're going to paste that in. We want to open it in the new window and insert it. So what this is doing is it's actually the page right before your sales page. So when they're on this page, I'll show you here. So we're going to update the settings. Don't forget to do update. Now if I view my splice page and I click this one, see how now it's taken them to that last page. And from here, they'll go to my all-in-one profits. All right. So that's a pretty easy page to set up. That's all you've got to do on that one. So I will see you on the next training, and from there, what are we going to be doing? We're going to build our lead-in page, and after that, we'll do our capture page.